So what's up, guys? I'm Don. So today we're revealing how much YouTube paid me for 40,000 views. Let's get over to the screen. As you can see there, I have 5.1 thousand subscribers and it is a gaming channel here. So let's go over to the video here. So this is the type of video. It's a video on how to recover lost DLS24 account or profile in minutes, and you can see not so much description. Let's just go ahead to the analytics straight away. So you can see right here, this video made a total of 43.2k views, and mind you, I made this video before I got monetized, so probably half of these views were wasted because of I wasn't monetized at that time. The video got 1.3k watch hours. The video gave me 325 subscribers, and here in the audience tab we'll see who mostly viewed this video. So if you scroll down, you see it was watched well on the mobile phone, tablet, computer and PC. These are the ages. They were completely male and ages 18 to 24 range. So the top geography there is Nigeria, India, Kenya, Ghana and South Africa. So let's go ahead to the revenue. So this is what we made from partly 20k views. So we have this $39.9. so is this nice for a gaming channel? Let me know your answer in the comment section.